In a groundbreaking announcement, Samsung has lifted the veil on the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series, divulging crucial details to South Korean media in the third week of January. Alongside this revelation, the tech giant is gearing up to introduce the fourth-generation Galaxy Book computers. The lineup includes the Galaxy S24 Plus, and the star of the show, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Reports have surfaced confirming the details of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, solidifying the launch of the S23 series in early 2024. Aligning with earlier speculations, the event is rumored to be scheduled for January 17th, and a surprising change in venue to San Jose, instead of the previously mentioned San Francisco. The excitement continues to build with whispers of pre-orders commencing post-event. Simultaneously, Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Book 4 series, with leaked specifications for 5 models, including the flagship Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, while some sources suggest a potential delay in fulfilling pre-orders until at least January 26th. It's essential to exercise caution, as Samsung's media department has yet to verify claims made by the elect. Adding a futuristic touch, AI is set to play a significant role in the Galaxy S24. Reports indicate that the device will analyze user habits and commonly used applications, offering proactive recommendations for sophisticated job automation. Moreover, the phone is rumored to provide personalized information on weather, traffic, and other app features based on the user's destination and trip time. In a remarkable twist, the Galaxy S24 is said to possess the ability to compose emails in a format of your choice and even send them within the innovative UI 6.1 interface. This phone promises a plethora of additional AI features, marking a significant leap for Samsung as it ventures into the realm of artificial intelligence. These hands-on images, courtesy of the reputable Chinese news website SOI, provide an early glimpse into the innovative design and enhancements of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But that's not all. We've also got some insider information hinting at the potential camera sensor for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, slated for release next year. In a quick hands-on session, the S24 Ultra was compared to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, revealing some noteworthy details. Notice the fresh new speaker grille on the top, now elegantly designed as a single strip, signaling a possible upgrade in speaker quality compared to previous flagship models. The microphone, previously located next to the speaker, has now found a new home at the top of the phone. Examining the sides, you'll find familiar elements like the camera lenses, power and volume keys, albeit slightly larger than those on the S23 Ultra. The most significant change is in the materials used. The S24 Ultra boasts a titanium construction for its dimensions, top and bottom, departing from the standard aluminum seen in previous models. Insiders suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a truly flat display, both in feel and appearance. The incorporation of a 2 times larger thermal cooling solution hints at a thicker center frame compared to the S23 Ultra, optimizing the performance of the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This modification ensures that the S24 Ultra operates at peak efficiency, providing users with a seamless experience. As the tech world awaits the launch of the Galaxy S24 as Samsung's first AI-centric phone, share your thoughts on these game-changing features in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates. Peace out.